I've bought some new dog clippers, and I'm just going to go through them quickly with you as to what I've done, because most of you know that I swear by my Andis dog clippers. So I do have a relationship with some of the products and services in the video description below, and if you shop through those, I will earn a referral fee at no extra cost to you. Thank you. So what I've actually bought myself is some Wahl KM 5 dog clippers. I do have the Andis Pulse, which I love, and I've always recommended the Andis Twin Speed. The Andis Twin Speed, which I do recommend if you've got a setter, a affordable dog clipper. I think after 2 dogs I've done today, 2 setters, but one was actually clipped off with the Wahl KM5, are exactly like a same price range. They're probably targeting the same people. They're good enough for professional dog groomers. Perfect for the pet owner. Dog clipper. My 3 Andis Twin Speed have come to the end of their life. I've been so sick to death of dog clippers and dog clipper blades. I do have a video how to service your Andis dog clippers, but they've come to the end, and you have to, nothing lasts forever, nothing stays the same, so they need to go in the bin. I thought I'd have a change. I had a read up on these, and I thought, well, actually, yeah, they'll do for me. And just going back to the Andis Pulse, they are such a good clipper, but you're looking at twice the money for a cordless dog clipper than the Wahl. But what I like is a backup set of dog clippers, something what you can plug in. And these have been working absolutely fine, as long as you treat the battery like a baby and you keep it warm. I've got 2 sets. One I have at home for Buzzy. If you've seen any of the videos where I'm trimming him at home, that's with the floral. They're exactly the same, but just different design. And the Galaxy Purple are in the salon. So back to these. Now, they're okay. I would put them on the same level as the Andis Twin Speed for price, for who they're aimed at, and they're going to be absolutely fine. They've been fine today. They're going to do the job. In my opinion, they're a mediocre dog clipper. But what's so funny about these is you've got to imagine, or you will know, how many pet owners have a hairy dog or a dog with a thick coat and have bought themselves a set of dog clippers. Now, what Wahl have been really clever about with these, which are, like I say, a mediocre dog clipper, what's going to do the job. I always say in my videos, if you're going to buy the Andis Pulse or the Andis Twin Speed for grooming your setters, the clippers come with a 10 blade, and you're going to need to buy a 7FC for the hocks and the neck. 10 will do for the ears. Oster. You'll buy a set of Oster clippers, you'll get a 10 blade. Most of the Wahl dog clippers, you'll get a 10 blade. So for a start, what they've done is labelled them up as Wahl dog clippers for thick coats. So how are they going to get away with a mediocre clipper, which is going to go through thick coats, even with a 10 blade? What they've done is something quite clever and put a competition blade, 7F, instead of the 10 blade, in the packet with these, to be able to get away with calling them dog clippers for thick coats. Because if you are a pet owner with a dog with a thick coat and you have no idea about grooming dogs, but you want something, what's going to get through your thick dog's coat, or your dog's thick coat, what are you going to do? Dog clippers for thick coats. Because most people will get a set of clippers who don't know what they're doing. They'll have that 10 blade and they're probably going to struggle. They're going to get a dog with a skinhead, because a dog groomer will have probably 10 or 20 of these 7F blades, not a competition blade, for clipping dogs with thick coats. So they have gone and supplied this clipper with a 7F. So the average pet owner will get this out of the packet, they'll put the blade on, and they're going to go, bloody hell, these are the best dog clippers I have ever had. Yeah, because they've got a 7F on. It's genius, really. I have actually bought these because the Blade, what comes with these Wahl clippers is a competition series, Wahl 7F, which are 45 quid. That is coming home with me for his neck. You can put any 7F on any of the clippers, the Andis Pulse, the Oster clippers, the Andis Twin Speed, and they're going to get through thick coats. But they have done a right smart move with that. So I've used them on 2 dogs. They're absolutely fine. They're going to do the job. But how they've been labelled up is dead clever. And by putting that 7F blade... Now, if you want some cheap 7F blades, get on Temu. These are actually dead good. Ceramic blades. You've got to get these, apparently. The A for Kilo, B for Bravo, D for Delta, S for Sierra. I've got 3. I've got 3 more coming. They should actually be at home today. And in a couple of weeks, I'm going to order another 4. So I've got 10 of those ceramic blades. But all you need for a dog, for a thick coat, is a 7F. Yeah, but I bought some new dog clippers. They're nice to hold in your hand. Actually better than those Twin Speed. And I had to give in because they're just ready for the bin now. And I can't leave myself with just one set of Andis Pulse. You always need a backup set of clippers. But they, for a dog groomer, are a perfect backup, perfect pet clipper, and I say perfect dog grooming clipper. Perfect if you're just starting out dog grooming. You know, I'm not bothered it's got a cord. I've used a cord on a clipper for years. It's sometimes better than having a cordless clipper what runs out of the battery. But that's it. Link below to the clippers I spoke about and a few other bits and bobs what I use in the salon. But that's my new dog clippers. So if you see me with my Lilac KM5 Wahl clippers, that's what they are. I'll give you a review in a few more weeks because 2 dogs is not, I can't give you a review on 2 dogs. They are quite quiet. I'll switch the electric off at the moment. But yeah, look out for a review for those. See how I'm getting on. See if I've not blown them up because I am a bit heavy-handed with the dog clippers.